In this video, I'll show you how to send gifts to other players in Forza Horizon 6. Now all you have to do is first travel to any barn find that you have unlocked. So if there's a barn find that you have unlocked, so for instance this particular one, simply first travel to that location. And then from here, drive through all and up to the barn find. So the barn find is on the left. So all I have to do is just drive there. And then once you get there, you should see this prompt, send and received cars. It's a gift drop. So if you want to send a gift, all you have to do is press the designated button and then choose the car that you'd like to send a gift to anyone or other players. So let me just find a random car. So for instance, this particular car, I'll just select it. And then you should see this prompt, who do you want to send the gift to? So you can choose to send it to anyone, new players, new Horizon legends, returning players, or community contributors. So let me say new players, and then you can add a message on that particular gift. So you can choose to say, welcome to Horizon, enjoy your adventures, and all the other options that are currently available. So I'll just select any one of it. And then from there, you should see this, how do you want to send your gift? So basically it will show the receiving person, your name, your gamer tag, or you can choose it to be anonymous. So if you select unassign, it will not show your name or your gamer tag. You can choose to show your name or the gamer tag, so choose any option, and then you should see a preview of how it looks like. So once you've confirmed everything, simply select send gift, and then you should see this warning with that car will be removed from your garage. If you go, then from here simply select yes to proceed. And now that gift will be sent, and you should see this notification. And then you should also receive a notification when the gift has been delivered. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.